Apple is poised to shake up the budget-friendly iPhone market with the highly anticipated iPhone SE 4. This upcoming model is expected to undergo a significant redesign, departing from the traditional compact form factor of its predecessors. Instead, the iPhone SE 4 is rumored to adopt a design language that more closely resembles the premium iPhone 14 series. This redesign could include a larger display, potentially featuring a notch similar to the iPhone 14, as well as a more modern and sleek aesthetic. Such a departure from the established iPhone SE design philosophy could signal a shift in Apple's strategy, aiming to cater to a wider range of consumers who desire a more premium-looking iPhone without the associated high price tag. The iPhone SE series has always been a fan favorite for those seeking a compact, powerful device without breaking the bank. However, rumors suggest that the upcoming iPhone SE 4 is set to deviate significantly from its predecessors. Instead of the familiar curved edges, the SE 4 is rumored to adopt a flat-edged design, mirroring the sleek aesthetic of Apple's flagship models. This design shift is expected to be accompanied by a larger, all-screen OLED display, offering a more immersive viewing experience. One notable change is the replacement of the iconic home button with a notch, a design element that has become synonymous with Apple's premium iPhones. Another rumored addition is a customizable action button that will take the place of the traditional mute switch. This button is expected to offer users a range of customizable functions, adding a layer of versatility to the device. In terms of connectivity, the SE 4 is likely to make a significant leap by adopting a USB-C port for charging and data transfer. While this move aligns with the industry standard, it's worth noting that the USB-C port on the SE 4 might be of a slower variant compared to the faster ports found on Apple's more expensive models. Perhaps the most surprising rumor is the possibility of Apple including its own 5G modem in the SE 4. This would be a first for the budget-friendly SE line and could significantly enhance its capabilities, especially for users who rely on fast mobile internet. Apple's latest iPhone model represents a significant departure from its historical reliance on Intel modems. This transition underscores Apple's growing expertise in semiconductor technology and its strategic move towards greater control over its device's core components. Form factor and display. Unlike previous iPhone models that offered multiple screen sizes, the new device will be available in a single 6.1-inch option. This streamlined approach simplifies the product lineup and potentially streamlines production processes. Enhanced camera capabilities. The iPhone will feature a substantial upgrade in camera technology. The rear-facing camera boasts a 48-megapixel sensor, promising improved image quality and detail. Additionally, the front-facing camera has been bumped up to 12 megapixels, enhancing selfie and video call experiences. These camera advancements are expected to cater to the growing demand for smartphones' high-quality photography and videography features. The iPhone SE 4 is poised to redefine the budget-friendly smartphone market. Equipped with the cutting-edge A18 chip, it delivers exceptional performance, ensuring seamless multitasking, smooth app launches, and compatibility with the latest Apple features. This powerful processor, typically found in premium models, makes the iPhone SE 4 a formidable contender in terms of raw power. The device's affordability is another major draw. Priced at a competitive $499 or $500, it is accessible to a wider range of consumers who may have previously been deterred by the high price tags of flagship iPhones. This pricing strategy positions the iPhone SE 4 as a compelling value proposition, offering premium performance at a fraction of the cost. Beyond its impressive performance and affordability, the iPhone SE 4 boasts a modern design that aligns with the aesthetic of more recent iPhone models. This updated look, combined with its powerful internals, makes the device a visually appealing and capable choice for those seeking a budget-friendly smartphone.